Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I am in a fixer mood. So I did this painting back in Florida. I really loved it. And then when I set it down to dry on my drying rack, it moved. So I love the colors, and people like say, oh my God, I love that painting. But I'm like, no, it's a mistake. So I'm gonna try and fix it tonight. And I've got a couple of ideas on how to do that. I have, this is phthalo, oh wait a minute, no, this is the one I was looking for. This is phthalo blue from Amsterdam. And this is phthalo blue mixed with quiller violet from Triart. And this is charvin deep ocean blue. This is permanent violet dark from golden. This is golden permanent magenta. This is Modern Masters in iridescent gold. I'm trying to get the boogers out. I'm gonna put a little water in there. Oh gosh, it's just another booger. And I have, whoops, I just cleaned this off because it had silicone on it. I also have, oh, that's the one I just showed you. This is the ocean blue from Charvin. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get started. And I also have, I have some pearl mix here, but it's thicker and it's not, I don't have the right pouring mediums, not yet. And then this is a transparent base. Didn't have the right ingredients, so I mixed it up with Floetrol and Liquitex pouring medium and water. And yeah, that's what I came up with. So we're going to be using this as well because I want to keep some of the colors. However, I did a little tiny piece down here, and I put the magenta over this with the transparent base. So, and then once I put the silicone on it, that deep purple came through again. So I'm gonna try to do something like that here. And then up there, it'll definitely be white. As a matter of fact, let's just do that right now. Tilt this. Do I have enough light? I will put this quiller violet down here too because I did like the gradient, but I'm going to mix up a lot of different colors here. Oh, look at that. All right, I'm going to just give it a quick blow with the hair dryer. Now we're going to do the magic. This is treadmill, spot-on treadmill silicone. I have used Artist Loft in the past. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it on from up high so I get some velocity on the drips so things start to show through. Give it a couple of weeks to let it sit and then clean it off. Shaylin is the one who has done these before. She's on Instagram. I'll link her. And her work is just exemplary. She doesn't use as many colors. That's where I like to change it up. I don't like to, I will not. This is inspired by Shaylin, but it's, you have to make things your own, guys, you know. Oh, I'm liking this. Wish I would have put some more dark, lighter colors underneath this blue, but that's okay. The blue is blue. It's the same blue. This is, yeah, I'm liking it a lot. And these cells are gonna grow. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse so that you can see it. Probably won't be a huge difference. I'm not really liking this here. It's like kind of a grayish color. But I think that's the indigo. We do have some lighter colors coming up underneath. Oh yeah. I know it seems like a lot of silicone, but like I said, once you leave it for a couple of weeks, it does come off fairly easy with the Dawn dishwashing liquid. And then after the Dawn dishwashing liquid, I let it sit overnight with a coat of baby powder. I'm leaving this right here because I love it. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna run out of this too. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you on time lapse and I'll be back. I hope you guys can see. Oh, yeah, I've got a nice light shining right on there. Guys, I'm back. It has been restored to its original glory. Yeah, we have some nice round cells now. I'm really happy that I did this. And yeah, the gold is gorgeous. And the colors did come through when I put that magenta over the dark. The dark, you can see it right coming through right there. So This is a big fat cell. It's a big drip. Yeah, I'm really happy I did this, and we'll have to see how it dries. I'm sure it'll dry just fine. Very happy. And I'm glad I blew this out at the top here. And I did tilt it after I blew it, which that usually doesn't happen, but I'm kind of glad I did. And these cells here, look at that. That is like one of my most special parts right there. Yeah. Oh, Wilbur. Sorry, that was my finger. So you'll have to let me know what you think. Was it better before or is it better now? Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.